Hey there everyone, today we're doing an unboxing. We are taking a look at a Seiko Luxury Prospect, and the Seiko Luxury Prospect we're looking at today is the SPB103. Now, this one is going to be a Seiko Sumo, and it is the black Seiko Sumo. Here you can see the booklets that come with the watch, and I've seen some of these new gray booklets on some of the newer models released this year. Not all of them have it, but I think they're probably going to slowly switch it over. And here we go, the all black with stainless bracelet. And let me get it out of the bag, it'll look a lot better. Everything looks better out of a plastic bag. And here we go. So this watch here, the Sumo, is got a big upgrade this year, and it's very nice. The upgrades, we got a little bit higher of a caliber movement from Seiko. If you think about the turtles and the samurais that Seiko makes, those are 4R movements, but this one here, it's actually a 6R movement. It is a 6R35, and the 6R35 movement here with the Sumo is actually a 70-hour power reserve, so that is very convenient, and it's just nice to have those extra hours in the power reserve. And the black here, you can see it is not a glossy black, it is more of a matte black. And if you want a good basic dive watch, the Sumo here is it. It gives you those couple extra hours, and the black on the stainless steel is a classic look. And what I like about this one too is that they've upgraded it. The upgrade, it's got Sapphire Crystal there, so you won't be scratching it up. It's something that I'm glad Seiko is starting to introduce more watches at an affordable level that don't that have the Sapphire Crystal. You know, it's not like one of these Seikos that are over $1,000 with the Sapphire Crystal. No, this one here, it's $850. So if you think about it, retailing at $850 with the upgrades of the Sapphire Crystal and the better movement, the 6R35, I think it's a great addition to the Seiko lineup, the Seiko diving lineup, and it makes the Sumo kind of stand out and make it different from, you know, your samurai and your turtle watches. And no one really knows where the name Sumo comes from. There's a couple rumors you could read about online, and some of them are quite entertaining. So overall, the upgraded Sumo is one of my favorite new Seiko watches. It's been lost a little bit with the Captain Willards and the Arnie's and stuff, but it's a fantastic watch. You know, the black and the stainless steel, it's hard to beat this design, and that 70-hour power reserve with the 6R35 caliber and Sapphire Crystal. It's just, you know, it takes the Seiko dive watch and brings it up a step or two. Seiko dive watches are great in general, but this is just a little bit of an improvement on some of them. And here you can see it on my wrist. And the Sumo, you know, they talk about how big it is, but I really don't see it as being too large of a watch. It looks great, you can see it there. So the size of the watch is actually 45 millimeters. You know, it sounds big, but you can see it here on my wrist. I got a 7.5-inch wrist, so you decide for yourself. And here, let's take a look. Great lume on the watch. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to check out this video, and please subscribe and enjoy. Thank you. Bye. Have a good one.